Okay,
Yep.
John.
Yeah, so these are the sort of key challenges that came out. So the first, pretty much 1 to 3, pretty much sort of related to each other. So pretty much knowing where to start, to know what tools to use. Will the business buy into it? What are the requirements, as well as the tools required for this to operate? We also have this setup of tools. So we had issues with hardware resource, especially not just the person, but not just the person, but also the hardware. So lack of hardware. We also have the.
Sorry, John. Is that when you say lack of hardware, you talk about lack of compute resource, or you talk about lack of target?
Lack of targets, computer resource. So we sort of, so from my experience, we sort of started it as a prototype. So we just had one system, and then from there we sort of escalated it.
It's similar to what Ollie was mentioning about not having a huge farm. It's the opposite of what Dan's got, where he's got huge compute farms. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, so that's one of the issues here as well, is the system evolution. So when we escalated the system, it became so complicated to maintain, and we had some new people, coming to the business and trying to learn it, and we sort of had to educate them how to use it, and it's really hard to maintain if you got two selected people who knows how to do it. Especially at the moment in our company, those people are leaving, and I'm pretty much the only one left who knows how to do it. So I have to obviously educate more people to support it. We also have this automating hardware build for build metal PCs. Now again, it's something to do with the hardware resource. Another thing we've discussed is extending unit test coverage and understanding time thresholds. So key challenges here is to how depth is the testing is going to be. Again, it's all down to the requirements, and the time thresholds is something to do with the, performance, how fast or how quickly you want to do the CR, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Keep it short.